I am excited today. I have a phenomenal guest who I can't wait for you to meet. His name is Jose Pereira.
Hello everybody, my name is Jose Pereira. I'm here to tell my story. Let's go back to November 2017. That I was a oil and gas executive. I was a CEO of the multinational. In November 2017, I was called to a last-minute meeting to Caracas, Venezuela. I'm Venezuelan-born, dual citizen. Finishing the presentation, we saw a bunch of guards. I will always say they were in RoboCop outfit because, they were on black suit and they had big mask with a skeleton. We were accused to be American spies. We were captured by the Venezuelan government and our negotiation. They had here a sign called Digesin. So this guy came and they asked for me. And when I heard my name, I said, well, this guy is asking for me. So they took us to another room and it appeared a general. I stayed 5 years as hostage and I came back in October last year through a prisoner swap that was done in a Caribbean island on San Vicente in Grenadine. You can Google our case. We became what is.
Jose Pereira is a beacon of strength and insight, bridging the gap between history and modern leadership.
Where do you really think the leadership comes? Because one of the things that really happens that people think that the leadership comes only from the boardrooms.
Gain rare insights into global affairs from someone who lived it.
This is the fuel you have. That no matter what is your circumstance, no matter what you're going in your life, that doesn't mark you. So I was going through that situation, but I decided that was not going to mark my circumstances. So I was going to come back. I decided to stay strong in body, soul, in spirit, because I had a family waiting for me.
Equipping young minds with tools for leadership and growth.
When you're facing challenges in your life that come from where you never expected, and it pushes you from your comfort zone and makes you think how you're going to embrace it.
Learn how to turn life's challenges into opportunities for personal
I'm saying today,
success.
because the reality is that you think that leadership is only the skills that you have. But the reality is that leadership comes how you decided to face when you're going through uncertainty.
Enhancing political science, history, and business studies with a fresh, engaging perspective.
So that's what you have to do in life. So if you have a business and you are having problems in your business, keep going. Be determined. Pursue your dream.
Pereira. He is a renowned leadership and resilient coach, author, and motivational speaker. His memoir, From Hero to Villain, chronicles his 5-year ordeal as an international hostage, making him a prominent voice on hostage diplomacy in the U.S. Throughout his profound insights and unwavering spirit, Jose inspires and empowers audiences worldwide. And man, we are super excited to have you be part of the Brief Talk stage, friend. Welcome.